I didn't think I needed it, but boy, was I wrong. Stick around and we'll get right to it. Hey, welcome back, guys. Jason, KM4ACK. Every now and again, I'll stumble across a product online. I'll see the images of it, and I just think, I don't really think I need that. But then you see it in person, and you completely change your mind. And that's exactly the way I felt with this Walkie Wedge. And if you stick around for a few minutes, I'll tell you how you can save 25% off of this guy. But what this is an HT desk stand, and it's really, really well done. Mine happens to be customized with my call sign, and it tells you, hopefully you guys can see right in there, it may not focus on that, but it tells you exactly what radio this is made for. It is a 3D printed part. You can get it without the call sign if you prefer, and it comes with nice rubber feet on the base of it. So now when you take your HT and set it in there, it is perfectly locked in place. Now I suppose I shouldn't say locked in place, but this thing can wiggle around quite a bit, and you're not going to knock the HT out of this stand. The other really cool thing about it is being able to reach over with one hand and push the buttons on the HT to manipulate it in whatever fashion you need without having to use two hands or without having to pick up the HT off of the desk. Now, he already produces the Walkie Wedge for several different HTs, and more are coming. I've been promised that one for the D74, D75 radio by Kenwood is already in the works. And while this one isn't designed for the D74, it actually does hold it fairly well. Now, probably not as well as the actual model that's designed for that radio is going to work, but I have found that it does work fairly well. And this is just one of those items that you really can't appreciate until you've got it in your hands and actually use it for the first time. Now, to save 25% off of it, use the code KM4ACK25. And guys, I'm not making a dime off of this. There's no affiliate program. It's just a really cool product that I think you will enjoy. If you found today's information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up before you head off. We will see you guys on the next one. Until then, 7-3.